Hey guys, it's Matt. Welcome to Mentorship Monday. Thank you for watching. If you guys have real estate questions, you want to email those to helpme@DeRosaGroup.com. That is helpme@DeRosaGroup.com, and we will answer them right here on the YouTube page for you and everyone else to watch and learn a few lessons from in that. So thank you for those of you that have sent them in, including a big thank you to David from Linden, New Jersey. That's who we got today. So David, thank you for your question. In a nutshell, what David's got is, David, you're looking for just neighborhoods to invest in. David's up in Linden, which for those of you that don't know New Jersey, it's a very densely populated area, and it gets more and more densely populated as you get closer up to New York City. So the price points tend to go up and up and up as you get to New York, which is, you know, conceivably the center of the universe on this part of in this part of the world, right? So just as you get to the financial districts and the jobs and all the things that exist on that little teeny island up there, the cost of living increases higher and higher. Linden, where David is just across the Hudson River from New York, and so the cost of living is very high because you can commute to downtown New York, and I'm going to make this up, say about 30-45 minutes, right, by train. So the cost of living is going to be high in Linden, and so David's looking for investments right around the Linden, New Jersey area. And my advice to David would be that's probably not, depending on what you want. I know you live in that area. You've mentioned in this email that you're potentially looking for a duplex to live in, which could be a possibility for you because you want to live there, right? So that's what they call a house hack on BiggerPockets, which I'm a big fan of as well. So if you want to buy a rental property for you to live in Linden, New Jersey, then that could be a possibility, right? So if that's your goal, and I'm not clear on what your goals are here on this sheet, but that's okay. In your email anyway. So if that's your goal, then yes, 2, 3, 4 unit for you to live in one unit and rent out the rest is a good angle of attack for that part of the world. If you're looking for rental property for you to own and to have 100% as an investment, unless you find a deal that's way below market, and unless you've got a construction team that can go and do the reno on the property for you, then it's probably not the best place to do buy and hold. There's people that have been around for a while, seasoned vet investors that are able to find really great deals off the market through wholesalers or foreclosure auctions or whatever. But you're not going to find, it's not going to be a good place to invest for the first time just for cash flow, because Linden is what I would call a B+ to A- area. And there's other videos that I've done, there's other stuff on BiggerPockets on ranking neighborhoods from A, B, C, and D, right? So A neighborhoods like Linden that are high home prices, just high barrier to entry and whatnot, are not going to be good cash flow investment type of areas. What you could do, David, is you could do some fix and flips in Linden if you can find a dilapidated property and you have some construction team and you have a background in construction yourself or whatever it is, to put towards a fix and flip in Linden, because again, it's that high echelon price point. You're not going to have a problem outselling a property in that area. But if you are in an area, if you're looking to do rental for cash flow, Linden's probably not where you want to be. You want to peel back further away from New York and start looking at areas like one of the Oranges. It could be good areas. Newark, again, I'm probably speaking in tongues for you folks that are not from the East Coast. But what I'm saying is you want to start looking at areas that are C areas, maybe B- areas, but the indicators are jobs, housing prices, the ratio of rent to purchase price. Those are good areas for cash flow. And David, if you're not looking to manage yourself, you can look for folks that can manage a property for you in those areas. You can still be kind of sort of in your backyard for your first investments, but I would not look to invest for cash flow in Linden, New Jersey, because the numbers you're throwing out here in this email are about right, and they're not going to cash flow from what you're talking about in Linden. But if you peel back further and get a little further away from New York, you can probably find some rentable neighborhoods. And this plays, again, for you other folks, again, just don't look to cash flow in areas that are higher end with higher purchase prices that are close to a lot of economic growth and a lot of jobs, because those neighborhoods may already be priced out for you to get in and make cash flow. You got to peel back and get a little bit further away from the action to more working class areas where you can make a nice spread of rental revenue to your expenses and have cash flow, because that's what it's all about, right? So thank you, David. Thank you, other folks, for watching. And again, if you guys have questions, you want to email them to helpme@DeRosaGroup.com. That's helpme@DeRosaGroup.com, and we will answer them right here on the YouTube channel. Thank you, folks, for watching. Thank you, David from Linden. Best of luck to you guys. And to everybody, please have a great and profitable week.